So I got a customer got a VolksWagon Jetta. I don't know what year it is. This is painted black.
Yep.
So here's the customer. So hey, how you doing?
I'm good, Brian. How you doing, man? Long
Yeah.
time no see.
Oh, for real? Yeah. So what's going on here?
Well, I decided not to go to you, and I went to some bootleg.
You didn't come to me?
I know.
What?
I know. I should have did it from the beginning.
Oh,
but
man.
I'm here now, Brian. I'm here. I need your help. I should have
Oh,
came to you
that
the
don't
first
sound
time.
right.
I should have came to you the first time. So my cigarette lighter stopped working after this dude installed my car.
Oh, shoot.
I can't charge my phone at all. My door over there can't open. I can't open that door from the inside. The window doesn't roll down.
Oh, man. So
I got these wires hanging. These wires hanging out.
Oh my God, man! You're gonna have some electrical problem later. What is this? Is this electrical wire for like a cord?
It's probably an extension cord from his basement. I don't know what he did, bro.
Let
Look
me
at
see
this
what
too.
it
This
look
is coming apart.
Oh my God! Oh, look at Oh Lord! Look at this, man.
I'm lucky that my car ain't caught on fire
That's
yet, man.
for real though. I got to tape this some more.
I should have came to you, Brian.
Oh my God!
First time. This is what you get when you try to be cheap, right?
Oh man! So now.
I know.
Now.
I don't know what this is. Brian,
hey, that's
loose. Sitting on. I don't even know what this is.
That's a fuse holder. Yeah, really hold it. Yeah, that is an extension cord, man.
This is what happened, Brian.
Damn.
I should have came to you the first time and got it right, but I tried to be cheap and go somewhere else.
Yeah.
So I'm here now. So for everybody.
So can I just rob you then?
Nah, bro, don't rob.
All right, so I'm gonna figure out what's going on with it. So I'm gonna make a video trying to see what's going on with the cigarette lighter, if it's a fuse, if it's something else. So all right, well, you can have a seat in the waiting room over there.
I appreciate it. I'm gonna go sit down.
Yeah, right there, right in there.
Hey, right in there. All right,
yeah.
all right. I appreciate it.
Hey, I haven't make a video of my waiting room right here.
Yeah.
So this is my waiting room right there. Customer can recline the chairs.
Yeah.
They can go restroom right there and watch a TV or go on their apps and play with the games. Hey, I am gonna fix this car. Look at this dude right here.
I need some promo.
Man, but anyway, coming back over here. So mainly if there's a fuse issue like this or cigarette lighter problem, you want to check this fuse right there, this 2 fuse right there. This thing seems to look good, and this is the main power to it. For some reason I'm not getting a good contact. Maybe something wrong, something burned up in the back. I'm gonna remove this out just to make sure, because I still don't have power. So I'm gonna take I think this is a T20. So I took the T20 out, this T20 I believe. Let's see what we gotta deal with. Oh my gosh, they wrapped this thing together. I'm not sure what it is. That's probably why it didn't work. Oh, let me see, I gotta figure out how to get this out now. Oh, I test what happened right here. They try to wrap this wire together, and you see the brown wire right there. Brown wire, that's the ground, and then the black and red is the accessory, which is the 12 volt when you turn the key on, or maybe it stay on all the time right there. I'm just gonna use the test light. I'm gonna test it right here, the middle. Put the test light in the middle, see if it lit up. So now it's working. Yep. Look at this guy. Yeah, that's my customer. So I'm gonna show you. So if you have that problem, that cigarette lighter ain't working, it's gonna be mainly this right there, not this too. It's this. I'm gonna remove that and watch. Okay, I got that removed, and let's see if it light up. I had to be careful how I'm gonna put the test light in there, because if I don't do it right, it's gonna pop the fuse. Well, there's no fuse in there, so it ain't gonna work. I gotta make sure I'm not touching the ground while I'm doing it. Turn the key on, and see, test light, no power. So that fuse is for the cigarette lighter. Now I put the fuse back in, the 20. I'm gonna show you, since I can touch it. Touching the middle one right there, make sure it's not touching the ground. If you touch the ground, you're gonna pop that fuse. So now it's working. When the key is on, you shut the key off, it should be off. Let's go back, talk to the customer. Hello, sir, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. All right, let me.
All right, let's.
All right, yep. We
You,
all set?
you wanna take your charger with you?
Oh yeah, so we good.
Yeah.
Yeah, my man got me right. My man
You
got me
definitely,
right.
it's gonna be right? So yep, I fixed it. So right now you got power to both of these.
Nice.
I tested already.
Okay.
And
My guy, he always come through. Hey, if I got issues, come to Brian. Get off of Marketplace and all the people.
oh, you got it from
Get off of Marketplace. If they say they can install, they can.
Oh, so you got it from a marketplace
Yeah, it was
guy.
a Marketplace mechanic.
Man.
You know, Marketplace audio guy. So don't do it. Come to Brian. Hopefully he gives me a discount for this. So we'll see for the video. If you don't give me a discount,
After an hour later, right? Yep.
I know, right? And my dude, he needs a discount too.
Oh, he's my best customer in Columbus right here. Best customer.
If no discount.
And this dude smoking weed. What the fuck?
It's legal.
Yeah, it's legal, but not my business.
My bad. Cut that.